Hello everyone, and I will tell you how to use our UFO series. So first open this lid and then long press this button for 2 minutes. And you will find this light is just long press for this button for 2 minutes. You will find this light is on, right? So this is first step. And then when you want to make it really working, you need to press this button. But before this, you need to find the right positions. You can hold it like this. Hold it like this. Or you can hold it like this. Two normal right positions. And then you just need to put a little bit harder inside of this. Yes, don't be worried. And this is how to use our electric nail clipper. It's very easy. And I will tell you how to some details about these products. First is our clients that they worry about the safety, right? I need to tell you that we have two safety garden for it. First is these two black eyes, right? It's detective eyes, so it can detect the temperatures. For example, like this. Yes, it will stop working. So this is the first step. And also, we when we want to make it working, we have these two buttons. First, second button to make it really working. When you leave your fingers out, you will find it stop working, right? And also we have another protection. We have another protection. When we maybe something inside of this knife, you can make it like this. You can find this knife is slowly working, right? Slowly working, turning, right? So you can pull these things out, right? So this is also another protection. Also, this button can switch to another speed. Yes, you can switch to another speed. You can find this indicator light is turning, right? So it's one speed is a little bit faster. Yes, you can choose which button, which speed is more fit for you. That's all very easy, right? Just contact us and leave your message, and you will get the latest price and the latest policy for you, and we can do OEM, ODM for you. Okay, bye bye.